Good morning and welcome to your market update for Thursday, April 23, 2026. The mood on Wall Street right now is mixed. Some indices are pushing higher while others are barely holding the line. Let's dive in. Starting with the major indices. The S&P 500 is up a modest 0.14%, sitting at 712.24. The Nasdaq is leading the pack this morning, climbing 0.23% to 656.62. Tech names are doing some of the heavy lifting there. Meanwhile, the Dow Jones is essentially flat, dipping just 0.03% to 494.63. So we've got a slight lean toward growth over value this morning. Now let's check in on the Magnificent Seven. And today, there are some big divergences here. Tesla is the biggest mover, and not in a good way. TSLA is down 2.47%, trading at $377.95. That's a notable slide to start the day. Microsoft is right behind it, dropping 2.44% to $422.37. Two heavyweight names seeing real selling pressure this morning. Meta is also in the red, down just under 1% at $668.35. On the flip side, Amazon is catching a bid, up 0.85% to $257.53. And Alphabet is also in the green, rising 0.71% to $341.72. So within the mega caps, it is truly a stock picker's market today. Switching over to commodities, gold is essentially flat, down just 0.09% at $434.89 an ounce. Not much conviction there. Silver is taking a harder hit though, falling 1.73% to $69.15. And oil is the standout commodity this morning. WTI crude is climbing 0.93% to $130.60 a barrel. That move ties directly into one of our top headlines. In crypto, Bitcoin is pulling back slightly, down 0.53% to $78,587. Ethereum is seeing a sharper decline, dropping 2.32% to $2,341.07. Not a great morning for digital assets. Forex data is unavailable this morning, so we'll skip that and jump straight to the headlines. First up, oil's rally has a clear catalyst. Reports indicate President Trump has extended the US-Iran ceasefire. That's helping lift energy markets and adding some optimism to broader indices as well. In corporate news, Best Buy is making a leadership change. The retailer has tapped insider Jason Bonfig as its new CEO. Outgoing chief Corey Berry is stepping down. Investors will be watching how markets react to that transition. And over at Starbucks, some office workers are reportedly pushing back on relocating. The company wants staff to move from Seattle to a new hub in Tennessee. Internal friction like that can sometimes weigh on sentiment around a stock. So here's the bottom line this Thursday morning. The broader market is leaning cautiously higher, but underneath the surface it's choppy. Tesla and Microsoft are dragging while Amazon and Alphabet hold things up. Oil is climbing on geopolitical developments, and crypto is soft. Keep an eye on how the Iran ceasefire extension plays out in energy markets through the rest of the week. Also watch for any follow-through selling in Tesla and Microsoft heading into the afternoon session. That's your morning update. Stay sharp out there, and we'll see you tomorrow.